Yeah, so from there, what are you filming? Crap! We're just filming like whales and atmosphere and what, like imagine a whale like singing in the sky. That's what we're making, eh?
Gosh, okay.
Hear them whales?
Scratch that one.
That was a daddy whale going, "Where are you, son?" And the baby's going, "I'm here, daddy! I'm here!" And this is them connecting. They found each other.